Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're gonna be looking at to how I put money in Stanbic IBTC money market fund and how much I literally earn within 24 hours. So I put deposit money to this account more than 24 hours literally, and that is on I think that's on oh that's more than 24 hours. That's yesterday, Monday in the morning, right? So and then we're gonna be looking into it. So I already signed up and I have made some videos regarding um Stanbic money market funds, and I'm going to also do another video on how you can actually fund your wallet later. But then I just want to share this with you if at all you are looking into um create account on Stanbic Bank and invest with the money market fund on the platform, right? So this is my account right here. So and I fund my wallet with a certain amount of 10,000 naira just to see how everything goes. And this is how much I earn, which is 4 naira 20 cent, 20 kobo, right? 100 cents. So this is when I deposited the money to my account. You can see 11th, May 11, 2026, and you can see I sent the money right here, 10,000 naira verified. You can see right there. Then I invest the money directly, immediately. I think the money dropped within my account after I sent the money within 5 minutes, right? Then I invest the money to the money market fund immediately. Then as of today, which counts 24 hours. So I think this money was deposited to my account this morning on the 12th of May 2026, right? As you can see right there. So let's now say, and based on what they said about money market funds, the the interest is not stable, right? So it goes up and down, and now it's currently on 50%, 15%. So which means I got a 15% of, should I even call this 15% of 10,000 naira? I'm not sure that is it. So what okay, this is the thing. I'm going to get a certain 15% of this money, right? I think that will be at the end of the month, most likely. At the end of the month, yeah. So I'm gonna get the 15%. So if they keep depositing uh 4 naira 20 kobo every day for the next 30 days, but we all know that they said the money is not stable, so it can go up and it can come down. So now let's say maybe it's stable. Let's just say it's stable. So let me calculate that. Calculator. So let's say we are getting 4 naira 20 kobo multiplied by 30, that is 126 naira. Hmm. Is that making sense? Or I'm not making sense? Maybe I'm not making sense. But then the interest on one market fund is 15% of what you put in. So probably it's gonna be month end or at the end of the year. Yes, I think it's at the end of the year. Let me multiply it by 365 days. 4.20 multiplied by 365. Yes, correctly. This is correct. I think it's based on 365 days. Sorry, so sorry. It's based on 365 days, which I'm going to be getting 1,533 naira if I invest this 10,000 naira for the next 365 days. So I'll be getting 1,533 naira. So another thing is I'm trying to compare this because we are actually looking for something that is more profitable, right? So now, this might not actually make sense to some people, right? But then I put the same 10,000 naira in my OP, like OP, O Wealth account. So I might actually be thinking differently, right? So the interest I'm getting is way far better than this 4 naira 20 cents. So as at yesterday on my OP account, let me open it. I may not be able to share my screen because I'm running it on my mobile phone. So as at sorry, yesterday, so I have 30 something thousand naira. I think 31,000 in my account, my balance on my OP. Then this morning I got um 10 naira 92 kobo. I don't know if that makes sense. I got 10 naira 92 kobo this morning, which means I make more money on my OPay OS balance directly. That's not even an investment. The money is just in my account, and I get 10 naira 92 cents, 92 kobo. So I want to check before, and then on the 11th, um just which is yesterday 11th. So I don't know exactly how much I have on my account, but I can see I earn 16 naira 11 kobo on my balance, which means I literally have more than 31,000 naira that I have that I woke up with this morning, right? And that is how it keep increasing. On the 10th of May, I have 23 naira 35 kobo as interest. Right. Same things to ninth because I did not do any transaction on the within that ninth and tenth. So I still have I still earn the same interest. Then on the eighth, I earn 23 naira 85 cents. But I don't know if that is making any sense. But then I'm just gonna do my research just to confirm this method. Then I'm not going to do a full comparison video. Then it's now left to individual on which one they actually want to do. Because me thinking about it, if I'm making 15% of my money, let's say I put in this 10,000 naira, then I earn 1,000 naira 1,500 naira in the next 365 days with this Stanbic money market funds. Then I put the same amount in my OPay balance for the next 365 days. It shows that I'm going to be, yes, I'm still here. It's actually saying that I'm going to be earning more than what I'm getting from this money market funds. I don't know if that makes sense. So, but I would like to also know what you think about this, and if you have actually experienced this, or you are also thinking about this kind of what I'm actually thinking right now, because I want it to make sense, and I also want the best for myself at the end of the day, right? So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. So after investing 10,000 naira, this is what I got. So let me know if you have also invest in the Stanbic Money Market Fund, what's your experience about it, and let's see how it goes from there. Thank you.